What kind of warranty does Creative Floors provide? We stand behind every product that we sell. We will go to bat on your behalf if you ever have an issue with any of the products that we provide to you and install in your home. You don't have to try to chase anybody down. You don't have to call the manufacturer on your own. Just call us and we will take care of it for you. We offer a 2-year installation warranty. That allows the flooring, whatever you've put in your house, to go through the 4 seasons 2 times. And the reason why is because usually within the first 4 seasons, if anything's going to rear its ugly head, it usually does in that time frame. We stand behind it. You don't have to try to find your installer that could or could not have left the country or something. We know who's installed it for you. Whether they're with us or not, we will handle it for you. We will take care of it in a timely fashion, and so you can have that peace of mind at night knowing that your installation is fully covered. Your products, we stand behind them, and we will take care of any issues that you have.